we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a blue sky in Camera Raw. We'll use the Camera Raw filter in Adobe Photoshop. Let me just copy the original, right click, I convert it to Smart Object. Now I go to Filter, and there's our Camera Raw filter. I'll show you two methods. If we go to the basics and play around with the temperature, we can fix the sky, but everything else is adjusted as well, or is affected as well, and we don't want that. So we can use this tool over here, which is kind of like a gradient. So it works kind of like the linear gradient in Lightroom. And if I now apply it, you can see that only the part that we've selected is adjusted. You can also change the range mode, and instead of using luminance, which is by default activated, we'll just use a color. I'll left click on the blue in the sky, and that's the way you can adjust that only. Takes some time to process, but here's the before and after. It's one way to do it. If you don't want to use a mask, we can also use hue, saturation and luminance and the targeted adjustment tool. Let us go to the HSL adjustments, and I can only target the blue with the luminance, for example, or I'll use the targeted adjustment tool. Now just click on the area that I want to affect, and it automatically adjusts the colors that are in this area. So you just left click and then drag to the left and right, and the sliders, they will be adjusted accordingly. Just look at the sliders and you can see, for example, if I go down to the yellows, not only the yellows but also the oranges are adjusted. So this targeted adjustment tool is very helpful, and it adjusts many color channels at once, and is kind of what we need. So here's our before and after, and this is how you can quickly make the sky bluer in Adobe Camera Raw. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.